Okay, once you have done the installation of your Python, you have done the first step. Okay, in the second step, we have to install some kind of interpreter. Okay, so what is interpreter? Interpreter is like, you have installed the Python, okay, but I want to create some kind of program. So how we can create it? We need something where we can write our code, right? So for that writing code, we need some kind of interpreter, some kind of IDE, integrated development environment. Okay, so for that, here we are going to use Jupyter. Why Jupyter? Because this is one of the famous IDE for or interpreter for the Python. So how we can install Jupyter? You have two ways. Once you can install Anaconda. What is Anaconda? Anaconda is simple. It is a package of all these things like Jupyter notebook, different kind of environment, and most usable libraries. It will install all these things automatically in your system. Okay, so if you want to install Anaconda, you can install, just go to your browser and search for Anaconda. Okay, so just click on the first link and here you have the option to download it. Okay, my internet speed is getting slow now, so here the option, just click on the download. Okay, and here the things that you will get all the things installed by default in your system. So you have to choose the version of the Python, because we are working on the 3.7. so click on the download on this. Okay, download it and install it. Okay, but I'm not going to use, but in the Python, in Anaconda, what we are going to use, I'm going to use Jupyter. Okay, if you see over there, so we have installed Jupyter over there. With your Anaconda is come with Jupyter. So the main thing is Jupyter. So I'm not going to install a whole Anaconda here. I'm going to install just Anaconda. How I can use it? Just open CMD and just write pip install Jupyter lab. Okay, so and make sure you are connected with the internet. So I have installed all these things, so it is not going to install again. So because I have installed, so it's not doing anything. Okay, once you have done this, just write Jupyter lab and hit enter, and probably it will open your Jupyter notebook in your default web browser. Okay, so let's wait for a second, and here we go. It's open Jupyter lab automatically it's get open. Okay, so I'm going to, here wherever you want, you can create your Python files where you want. I want this on the desktop, so in the desktop I have one folder Python. In the Python I want to create, I have already one file that is named test.py. okay, so I'm going to create one new Python file. So here is written Python notebook, here is console, and is others. Okay, so what I want Python to create. So click on the Python and here we go. And here what we can do, first the very simple command that we can use is print. If I want to print something, I have to write this is my very first program. Okay, and if I want to run this code, so I have two options. One, you can run from here itself, and the second is just click shift and enter. So you can see you have get the output. Okay, so next thing is my variable that we are going to discuss in the next